Alright y'all, we're back at it. I tore it down and put back together, rebuilt the whole other side. So now I'm going to show y'all how to tear it down. First you want to start with this top bolt, and it's a bottom bolt right here. This is for the brake caliper. So let's take this off right now. You can see my hand and stuff. Fall out. And don't worry about that. I'll sit this up here out the way. Make sure it's secure so it won't fall on you. Okay, take that off. Now, okay, step 2, y'all. We gonna release this shock right here. There's 2 bolts at the bottom and 1 on top. But right now we're gonna take these 2 bottom ones out and take that top one out. Step 3. This step 2 right here. Take the cap. Shit, just fall out the bottom. There we go. See it? Fall out the bottom. That's your gas shot. Okay. Now step 2 we done. Okay, now step 3. And then in here you're gonna have a cotter pin. You take your needle noses, find it up in there. Got the cotter pin. Don't lose that. Keep track of the stuff. And you take your that's your castle nut. I call it a castle nut because it looks like a castle thing, and then bam, you just pull this off. Bam. Ta-da. Okay, step 3, y'all. We on step 3. Easy peasy. Push it under here. You grab your jack, and this is for your safety. Push. Pull it. Remember, I told you to pull it down, and then push it under right there, and tighten it. It's tight all the way. Yes, sir. All right, jack it up. Jack it up. You jack your jack up under the coil spring so it won't bust out on you. Wait, stop. Gotta make sure it's up under there right. Okay, go ahead, jack it up. Yep, a little bit more. It's cool, it just popped in place. Go ahead. Right there, that's cool. Okay, you got that in there. It's called a spindle. The top spindle nut. You see, it got another castle nut up there, and they got a cotter pin. You take this cotter pin. Let me see them needle noses. Got it. Cotter pin. Take your cotter pin out, and then you want to loosen this nut. Not all the way, but just loosen it till it come down to right here. Let me zoom in. Loosen it till it come down right here so it still be on there, and then you're gonna tap this and it's gonna break loose. loosen the nut. Right there. Let me see. Sway bar bolt. Sway bar. Sway bar bushing. That's it. My hand. Alright. Now we took the pin out, the bolt out the top right here. Now all you gotta do is let the jack down real easy. You gotta let it down real easy now. See, it's starting to go down a little bit. As you let it go down easy to take the tension off the spring. Tension off the spring. There you go. See, that's all broke down.